Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's a sermon.
I just don't want my phone to get wet. I don't care about my life. I don't care about my life. I'm scared about my phone. Oh my gosh! I'm on the independent on 1985 day.
Yeah, but that's a crazy thing. That's why I'm surreal. This is fucking surreal. It's amazing. It's surreal. What are the odds?
I was like, what the